All right, the previous video I mentioned that I'm facing a couple of issues, and one of them is the tire, the rear tire rubbing the fender. And that, I believe the issue is caused by the spring that I'm using. If you're familiar with the build, I did an overhaul suspension upgrade, and I believe that the spring on the rear sides are really bad, and we are replacing them with these ones that I got from eBay. I don't have any experience with lowering springs, but let's go ahead and try these ones. I do have both sets, the front and the rear, but I am only going to install the rear. I am not going to install the front ones. All right, let's see how this one goes. Oops. So this one over here, that's the one we are going to release, and then we're going to drop this. There isn't a lot of tension over there, so we should be fine on running these springs. So I use power tool. Unfortunately, it says, some people say not to use power tool, but you know what, I will have to remove this one, this cover. Oh man, so many things. Okay, let me get that and remove this cover. Yeah, I know what I need. One is up. This is the second one. Alright, this is the third and the last one. Okay. Alright, that's out. And let's take out this bolt. Just like that, and it's out. So I will gently try to hammer this. Yeah. This is coming out. So I'll try to hold it. If I had a second jack, would have been easier, but can use my hand too. All right, and then we can drop it. Oh no. No, don't do that, don't do that. This is not gonna drop. It doesn't want to drop, and I don't think it's going to drop. So let's try this one. Yeah, man. So I hit an issue. This one's supposed to just drop, okay? But it doesn't drop because it's stuck somewhere here on the frame, and I don't think it's worth the hassle what I'm trying to do here. So the remedy is that I am going to remove the shock, which is going to be a little bit of a pain to put it back, and I am going to open this side over here as well. So alright, I guess I have to remove the tire. I have to find a way to work this on. Ah, yay. Okay. Okay, we got this one out. There we go. Got this one out. The bottom uses this. So let's try this out. I just hope it doesn't rub again. All right, I have the Megan Racing lowering spring installed and sitting right there, tight, neat. Of course, after this, we'll have to do the wheel alignment again, but I will do the wheel alignment after I fix the front. But for now, this will do. I will do the same thing on the other side, which is just a repeat. So see you when I finish with the other side. All right, I got this done for the fitment. This is how they look like. I mean, I'm not fond on the fitment. I really don't care about the fitment. Right now, I need a better ride quality. This is the fitment. Looks like this one is really low. But it is what it is. It works. And I'm going to use it as it is, like right now. That's how I'm going to use it. I do not see any problem. So the first test is that ramp over there. That ramp is the one I'm going to test out because that's where I'm getting some issues. The ramp right in front there, that's the ramp I'm going to test out. That's where I'm hearing some rubbing and stuff. So let's start with that. So the rubbing is still there. Oh boy, 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 boy. I made it worse on the driver's side. Let's see. It's rubbing like no one's business. You hear that? Oh, let's go check. Let's go check. So for this side here, I really made it worse. Look the way it's tucked in. It's kind of like something loose or something, but yeah, I made it worse. And yeah, this is bad. For this side, not too bad. This side is okay. So could it be the shocks? So could this be, yeah, probably have to change the, yeah, this is even really worse than it was. It's worse than it was. All right, so I made this car drive worse than it was before. It is what it is, but thank you for coming along. I will continue to fix up before I leave this town to go back to New Jersey. And man, thank you for coming along. Don't forget to look at the link for Sand Cut Sand if you have any metal parts you want to transform, any metal sheet work you need, any CNC metal work you need. Look out for Sand Cut Sand. The link is in the description. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. I'm out. All right, it's the next day, and what I did is I raise up the springs of the coilovers. So pretty much I put back what I was going to replace and I raised it all the way up as far as I could. And so far I think this rudder had so far this has solved the issue that I was facing on the rear wheels. So it's all good, and I hope it's not going to create an issue again, because I have 1,000 miles to drive to go back to Jersey and I don't want any issue. Because it's already dark, but I think the camera can show better. You can see the right height where it is sitting right now, and it I think it's okay. I think this fit mate, I will be fine with this one. It's not as 100% I would hope this to be, but I think this one is okay.